Hi guys, Shiloh Airsoft here. He joined me for a game of domination here at Paintball Station in Washington State. I stay on the left side of the map the most time.
That tower doesn't count.
Organizing an assault with my team to try to dominate most of the towers.
I think there's 7.
For this game mode, I'm using my Scar H MK17 and my HK45 as a sidearm.
You guys shot already?
Try to push up early to get through the towers, as I know they are going to be heavily contested through the beginning. For this game mode, the point of the game is to occupy as many towers at the end of the game. You have unlimited respawns, and there are about 6 or 7 towers to occupy. I scanned the middle tower to see if anyone's in there, see if it's still clear or occupied yet.
You have contact down?
This is Tower 6. It's heavily fortified, really hard to get to. Trying to see if any players might be in there, as he said there's contact over this way. I'm not quite seeing anyone this way, but I keep scanning just to make sure we're clear. It seems as if they have this side locked down, so I'm going to try to get a different perspective, see if I can get a better angle on these towers. At the moment, it appears as if we have tower number 4. I'm not quite sure what other towers we have. I see an enemy player on the other side of the fortress. Trying to keep him suppressed so that my team can move up and dominate other towers. Keep scanning the area for enemy players, as I know these towers are going to be heavily contested.
Hey, how many towers do you have? Just this one?
Looks like at the moment we only have Tower 4. I've seen enemy pop their head out over this pile, try to keep them suppressed. Here my team is pushing up, trying to take possession of the other towers.
Did you get him?
I'm gonna scan the area. I see an enemy down here, I can keep him suppressed. My teammate is out here trying to protect his left side so he doesn't get shot out. Keep scanning to make sure the area is safe. No, my teammate is in a good position. I try to move up to help give us some support and potentially overtake this tower number 6 to our right.
Hey, you make it up the slide? No.
Unfortunately, I get shot. I was a little bit too much in the open. I was expecting that, but now I know better. As I respawn, I know that there's somebody in that tower to the right that we were about to take, so I go forward with that information and apply it to try to keep the enemy players hunched down in that fortified tower. Let's take some shots to let them know that they're being watched and to keep their heads down. It seems a little quiet on this side. I keep scanning to see if I see enemies, but no luck. So I'm going to try to go to a similar place as it was. Trying to run from cover to cover, as I know that people in that tower number 6 are probably still aiming this way. It's a good thing to have teammates around so we can make a push for any towers as needed. teammate is still alive right there, so it must mean they don't have a good angle on him. Scanning to see if there's any enemy players anywhere. Looks like tower number 1 is still open, not possessed. Don't get a good vantage point on these towers. Way in the distance, I see an enemy player by the spools. I believe it's a sniper, as I can't reach him with my ring.
Oh yeah.
The enemy player is aiming this way.
Yeah, look at a sniper or something. We're like kind of right to this one.
As you see, friendly players are getting shot out by that sniper over by the spools.
Do you see that tower? Is there anyone on that one? There is. There are there.
I'm trying to see if the tower over this hill is a potential tower to get overtaken.
Nope.
He says it's empty, but I'm not sure it's completely safe.
It's still there.
Taking enemy fire from the sniper over by the spools. I know I'm getting aimed at, so I'm trying to hide from the sniper, but also at the same time see if there's any enemy players coming around. I see this enemy player, but it appears as if he's dead. I assume he's not alone, however. Keep scanning the area for enemy players. I see somebody hiding behind the spool, taking shots in his direction, see if I can get lucky, maybe get him. At least I'll keep him suppressed so my teammates can move up. Seems like there's a teammate to my left that shot out, so I'm trying to be cautious.
Hey, do you see the far tower over there? The school guy's still there though.
Communicating with my teammates about enemy locations. I know the sniper is still looking this way. I see someone on that bridge. I'm quick about ducking in and out as I see them aiming at me.
You see him? Like up there? Kinda, yeah, in between that one.
Communicating with my teammates about where he was. It seems like now he's hiding behind this one spool. Keep shooting at him. It seems as if he does not want to call his hits. I do not believe that he's alone in that tower, so I'm trying to keep them down and suppressed. This tower is heavily fortified, so it's really hard to get a BB inside one of those slats. At the least, I'm trying to keep the enemies suppressed so that my teammates can move up and we can assault this tower. I'm not seeing any movement, but I am certain that the guy I shot is still in there. Teammates are moving up, support is on the way. Try to stay low so the enemy doesn't spot me. Trying to shoot through these slats so I can get lucky, maybe hit the enemy player.
Right.
At the least trying to keep them suppressed, let them know that they're being watched. My teammate to the right just got shot, so I know it's a dangerous area to be in. I try to relocate just to keep safe. Because now I believe I'm by myself and have no support.
Hey, do we have this tower?
I'm inquiring about how we are doing on the objectives. Seems as if we have this tower number 4. Try to make a break for the tower. See if we can take over any other towers. Unfortunately, that's the end of the game. It appears as if my team only captured 1 tower and the other team captured 3. It was a fun game. I hope to see you guys at the next one. If you like this video, be sure to leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more videos in the future. As always, I look forward to seeing you guys. Thank you.